इट वॉज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल रेनी आफ्टरनून जब मैंने और अमित ने डिसाइड किया कि हम अपने फेवरेट चाइल्डहुड लोकेशन पर जाएंगे दोबारा कुछ यादें ताज़ा करने एंड दैट लोकेशन इज़ अलीपुर ज़ू एज यू मस्ट हैव ऑलरेडी गेस्ड. हैंग ऑन गाइज, दिस वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग. Before I start the video, let me tell you that how did we book the tickets, what are the timings of the zoo, and which days it's open, which days it is closed. Everything is mentioned in the description box of this video and you will know all the details that you want to know. And in the meanwhile, enjoy this video because it's going to be a roller coaster ride for your childhood memories. It's going to be amazing.
Hi, I am at the Alipur Zoo today, and in this video I'm going to show you the walkthrough of Alipur Zoo. Don't worry, I have my mask on. I am completely enjoying this experience and I wanted to share this with you guys. So keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So let's go.
We are now going to see the macaw. Some days are so dreamy. My favorite things together, the zoo animals and the rain.
Nona Joler Kumir. That's what written in Bengali. We just saw the giraffe. It is so cute. Have a look.
Time for some fun facts. Did you know a giraffe spends most of its life standing up? Even it sleeps and gives birth while standing. Wow. And in 5 to 30 minutes, it completes its entire day's sleep. I wish I could save that much time in a day.
Guys, I can see the elephant right behind me and I'm gonna take you right there. Let's go.
Here is a video from a distance and let me tell you something interesting about the elephants, that it can store up to 8 liters of water in its trunk and can eat 150 kgs of food in a day. Wow. Now we are up to the hippopotamus and it was trying to swim when we reached there, and it was quite thrilling to see it go down under the water and enjoy its swim. Time for the Royal Bengal tiger, guys.
And this is the way to reach to the tiger. And that's the cave we can see.
Since the Royal Bengal tiger is the pride of India, let me tell you that in our Alipur Zoo in Kolkata,
Here's
we
the
have
tiger. Can you
3
see
ways
that?
of seeing the Royal Bengal tiger. You can see it like this from its confinement. You can also see it in a distance in a very safe glass chamber. From here, you can see that glass big panels out there. From here you can see the tiger at a distance, and it was quite a safari world kind of a feeling in Thailand, and I have been there, so I just got reminded of that place. And it was a very unique experience to see the tiger from here because this was not there in our childhood. It has been newly made. And the third option is to see it in the cage. So this is a different section altogether where you can see the tiger up close, but it is caged, and over here it is generally fed with huge chunks of raw meat, and it's not a good sight to see. I just ran away, and near that area I saw the white tiger. It was quite a sight to see the white tiger move around, loiter, and then he was like having fun in his own way, and we were having fun looking at it at a distance. As a child, I was always very fascinated with the white tiger because it was rare and it looked much beautiful. What do you think? So now, after seeing the tigers, so many tigers, we decided to see some cute little birds, and we moved towards first my favorite reader book animal, that is the flamingo. And till date it's my one of the favorites. Even in terms of my decor, I love to get something out of flamingo.
Peacocks.
I saw the white peacocks, but unfortunately I could not see the traditional one which we love to see. and we saw the ostrich and some other birds out there, but I could not get the names properly. So if you can guess and let me know what are these animals. In the meanwhile, I was having some fun with the camera and the bird were flying around. I also saw some cats which were not caged. Caddy cats. Caddy cat. Can anyone guess the name of these animals? I'm not sure. That is why I did not name them. Just let me know in the comments if you guys know, because I completely missed out capturing the name of these beautiful species out there. It was so exciting to see them up close after a long gap. And here was the aqua section, which was closed due to COVID, and we just had a look outside. And this is the most cutest animal on this planet, the deer. It is so harmless, so cute. I just had to stop by and gaze them from a distance. And I don't know which animal is this, cassowary, I don't know what you call it, but it looked quite cute. And if you haven't watched Discovery Channel, you would get confused seeing this as a black panda. I was. And this is a cockatoo.
So that's it for this video. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.
So I had a great time in the zoo, and I hope you like it too. So please like कीजिए, subscribe कीजिए मेरा channel और comment कीजिए आपको video कैसा लगा. And I will see you next time. Bye. Watch my other videos.